In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your itchio page step by step so you can make your project or profile look cleaner, more professional, and more like your own brand. Whether you want to change fonts, colors, images, or just give your page a more polished look, this is a simple way to get started. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your itchio account and go to the project or profile page that you want to edit. This could be a game page, a personal profile, or any other page you've set up on itchio. Once you're on the page you want to customize, look at the top admin navigation bar. You should see an option that says Edit Theme. This is the button you need in order to open the customization tools. Go ahead and click Edit Theme. As soon as you do that, an interactive panel will slide out from the left side of your screen. This panel is where the real customization happens. From here, you can start adjusting the design elements of your page. For example, you can change fonts to match the style of your project, update colors to fit your branding, and add or swap images to make the page more visually appealing. Take your time going through the options inside the theme editor, because even small changes can make a big difference in how your page looks and feels. If you're building a game page, you might want a bold, eye-catching style. If it's a personal profile, you may prefer something cleaner and more minimal. The great thing about itchio is that you can experiment with the layout and appearance until it matches your vision. Once you're happy with the changes, make sure to review the page and see how everything looks together. Check that the text is readable, the colors work well, and the images display correctly. A good-looking page can help your project stand out and make a stronger first impression on visitors. And that's the basic process for customizing your itchio page. You just log in, open the page you want to edit, click Edit Theme, and use the left side panel to tweak fonts, colors, and images. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.